So hello, in this video I'm going to make potato bread. So here are my ingredients. I have all-purpose flour. I have 1.5 cups of it and I have sugar, so I'm going to mix that. Sugar about 4 tablespoons, and I have yeast, and I'm going to add dry yeast 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put that there. Okay, I hope you can see. Maybe see, let me dim the light a little bit. There you go. Okay, so next is you need 1 egg. So egg, I'm gonna add that. And you need butter. So this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. So add that there. And finally you need milk, and the milk, not finally, you need milk. This is, let's see, 1/4 cup of milk. So let me pour that in here. And since it's potato bread, I boiled 1 large potato, and here it is, and then I mashed it. So I'm gonna add that in, and then just mix the whole thing. Okay, let me move this camera here. I'm trying to position it. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's mix all this together. And did I forget? 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I use iodized sea salt in my house. So that's so just mix these ingredients together, and then I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour for the yeast to do its work. Move this here. Okay, coming along well. Sorry, trying to find the right position for the camera. Sounds like it's mixing well. Tachanganya tu kabisa pamoja. It's coming along well. Just play like you're playing with clay. I could mix it a little more. I'll just wait for the yeast to do its work. And you can use the mixing machine too if you want to. So here you have it. I think it's all mixed now. I'm just gonna leave it for it to rise for 1 hour, and then once it rises, I'll put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until it's ready. So I will come back and show you the results. Thank you. So hello guys, it's been 1 hour, so it's risen. So I'm gonna dump. The dough is ready. It is. It's really, really light. So I'm just gonna get it ready for the bread, and I can do this a little to get the water out. Right now I'm just taking the air out. It is very fluffy, very light. Okay. Okay. So I am going to cut it into little round pieces. Must be this. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this into that. I'm gonna make 4 round pieces. Okay. So I'm just gonna do that. And I have my pan here, I'll show you in a moment. So that's 1 piece of bread. Okay. That's another. Just gonna make it like round bread. And then another. And this is the last one. Okay. So I have these 4. I'm gonna wait for it to sit for let's see, have it sit for about 30 minutes and then put it in the oven for about 45 minutes or until it's ready. So I'll show you the end product in a moment. Okay, thank you. So here is how it turned out. Just so give it a shot, okay? Thank you.